your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Good morning, everyone. Waking up to some showers across the region. Did have a couple of flashes of lightning earlier. Not everyone seeing rain, as you see here on the radar. That is mainly concentrated here across central Kentucky, or at least the middle part of the state, over from Lawrenceburg, Harrodsburg, through Nicholasville and Lexington, to Richmond and Irvin and Stanton and Campton, over to Jackson and West Liberty in that zone. That's where we have the rain at the moment. Now, to the south, there are a couple of more showers, but primarily, this is the wave of rain we're going to get. It's coming north. Then behind that, we're going to get some dry time before we work in some storms a little bit later on into the day. Visibility is lower because of some fog, but I told you that we would see that visibility start to improve as the warm front keeps going north. We can actually see farther down the road here, Euclid Avenue in Lexington, than we did just literally 10-15 minutes ago. Same story in Paris. So the front's coming north. That means the fog continues to lift north. We will see improving visibility, but we have those showers that are following suit. To the south, little fog, but some breaks in the clouds as you're looking there into Somerset. Visibility a half a mile Lexington, 3 miles in Mount Sterling, but that has gone up. Just about 15 minutes ago, it was well under a mile. Mild morning, we're in the 50s across the state. Speaking of the warm front, there it goes. Showers following suit. Down to the south, though, some additional scattered showers near Bowling Green. Those will lift north, but the trend will be for us to go drier as we head toward the middle part of the day and into early afternoon. Watch the setup here. These are the morning showers. Then we see some breaks in the clouds. That's not going to be good because that will allow the sun to come through. That will add some instability. Then if you'll look here, you'll notice by 3 o'clock, some storms, clusters of storms start firing up. Illinois, Indiana, and even some into Kentucky. Question is, how far north are these going to be before they form, okay? I still think that the best opportunity for those clusters of storms, which could produce some isolated tornadoes, is going to be I-64 and north. So I-64 and northward, and the closer you are to the Ohio River, the better the chance is between 3 and about 8 o'clock. Then we watch a line of storms form, likely 10 p.m. or after, with the cold front, and that comes east. So a couple of rounds of storms are possible here, okay? Not everyone is impacted by the first round, which is between 3 and 8. That's when we could get some clusters of storms. I-64 and north, pretty much right where this yellow level 2 risk of severe weather is. Damaging winds, large hail, and some tornadoes are possible. The greatest risk for tornadoes is north of I-64 in that zone where I was just showing you the first wave of storms could happen. So the morning fog, then scattered showers and storms start to develop across the area into that afternoon and evening time frame. Upper 60s, low 70s for high temperatures today. That threat for severe weather is there. Make sure you're having multiple ways to get weather information, weather alerts later on this afternoon and into the overnight. Tomorrow is calmer, thankfully, and cooler. Then it gets cold as we head into the weekend with maybe some flurries or snow showers Sunday into Monday.